In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down to hit System and Updates. Now tap on Language and Input, Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, and Rage input. Following that, use this switcher next to voice typing if it's not already on, and go back to your keyboard. To hold this microphone at the bottom left corner. If you are using a toolbar, you can also access it over here. Either way, hold it and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on this button with a microphone. To delete text on the go, click on this right one. And to access voice typing options, click on the left one. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.